plug into. Whoa! That is bright. What's up, guys? Tech Toy here, Pathfinder Digital Marketing. I got a package in the mail, another unboxing video for you. This is actually something I've been needing for quite some time. I finally got it. Shout out to Bane at Bane Tech for his recommendations on the products that he recommended for me to get. If you're not following Bane Tech, make sure you check him out. Link to his YouTube channel down below. So let's, without further ado, open this sucker up. See what we got. Let's see. I don't know how many more. Oh, there's a box in the box. There's a box in the box. Of course there is. More boxes. Alright. Let's see what we got. First thing first, it's a ring light is what I got. It looks like it has a charger with it. Oh, alright then. Gonna need that then. And the setup for it right here. Oh damn, it's got a little clicky with it. I didn't know that even came. Oh shoot, it's got a battery in there. Holy cow. The $1 million question is, does this battery work? But we'll soon find out. Alright. Play that, some instructions, get that going. Now this one did come with a stand for itself as well, which I get it, I do. It's a lot smaller than the 79-inch stand I got there, but it'll do the trick with what I need it to do as well. It's a pretty basic stand. I can use a backup stand real fast too. Nothing else in here. Alright, and the main attraction. Woo! And there it is. Oh snap. I see exactly what Bane meant by this. Okay. We're gonna have some fun with this. I'm gonna get this sucker charged up, play around with it, and give you my review in it as well as the unboxing video for this. So stay tuned. Make sure you follow Tech Tony. Make sure you also follow him Bane Tech. And this is going to be fun. Thanks.